Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing a tropical Thai dessert that reminds of bright blue skies and sandy beaches. This heavenly two-layered mango and coconut dessert is very refreshing and it needs only 5 ingredients, which are 1 large mango, Agar Agar powder, you can use Agar Agar sheet as well, 200 ml coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 200 ml tender coconut water and little meat of tender coconut. To prepare the first layer, that is the mango and Agar Agar jelly, start by peeling and dicing the mango. Then put it in a blender and make a coarse puree. In a pan, heat around 100 ml of water and before the water boils, add Agar Agar powder and dissolve it. If you are using a Agar Agar sheet, dissolve it in cold water and see to it before it starts heating all the crystals have melted. Add the mango puree and stir it so that Agar Agar dissolves thoroughly in the mango puree. This should continue for around a minute. Do not overheat it, if not Agar Agar will set up in a hard mass. Grease a tray with little butter. This is totally optional. Pour the mango and Agar Agar jelly mixture and it is ready to go in the fridge for setting. Whatever little mixture is left out, I am putting up in a pudding bowl and setting it diagonally. For preparing the coconut milk jelly, add 100 ml of tender coconut water and dissolve Agar Agar before heating it. Add around a little amount of sugar, that is around 2 tablespoons. You can change it as per your taste. Give it a mix. Then it is time to add the tender coconut meat, which I have cut it in small chunks. Then add 200 ml of thick coconut milk. Continue stirring as you add the coconut milk. And immediately turn off the heat to prevent curdling of the coconut milk. Our mango jelly is almost set. It is firm to touch. It shouldn't be watery. If not, the coconut layer may leak into it. Carefully, with the help of a ladle, put up a little amount of coconut milk jelly over the mango jelly. Any bubbles, you can burst it using a toothpick. The same with the mango jelly layer, which I put up in a pudding bowl. Put it in the fridge for setting for around 1 hour. Then we can demold it. Add few cut pieces of mango on the top. With the help of a butter knife, carefully loosen up the sides of the jelly layer without damaging any of the edges. carefully demold it on a very flat plate. You can see it has set up beautifully with two different layers. Cut it in desired portion. And it is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button if you like this fun recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.